Think about how many hours a day you're in front of a screen for a second. Whether you're staring at a computer for work, on your phone, scrolling through Instagram, or watching TV, you may not realize how all this screen time is affecting your eyes. Staring at a screen all day, every day, can ultimately cause negative impacts on your eye health. Today, we're going to discuss digital eye strain, one of the most common effects of today's screen-filled world. What's up everyone, I'm Eric, and welcome back to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel. It's good to see you again. This channel is the destination on YouTube for you to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Now you're watching this video because you either think you suffer from digital eye strain or you're trying to prevent it. And either way, you're in the right place. But before I dive into digital eye strain, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we post new weekly videos. Now let's get to it. So, what is digital eye strain? Looking at a screen for too long, not blinking enough, or that screen being too bright or too dim can cause something called digital eye strain. Or a more technical term for it, it's computer vision syndrome. Typically, digital eye strain occurs because the visual demands of performing a task outweighs the visual abilities a person has to perform that task comfortably. I'm pretty sure that we're all guilty of looking at screens and not blinking much all day. In fact, you're looking at a screen right now watching this video, right? So did you know that on average, Americans spend about 7 hours a day staring at a screen? Be that on a desktop computer, smartphone, or a tablet? And that's just an average. With the increasing popularity of social media and a major boom in the tech industries, those numbers aren't likely to fall anytime soon. So how do you know if you suffer from digital eye strain? Well, you can check if you have the symptoms including eye fatigue, headaches, blurred vision, dry eyes, and neck and shoulder pain. Now, these common symptoms are caused by poor lighting, glares on a digital screen, improper viewing distances, poor sitting posture, uncorrected vision problems, or a combination of these factors. Unfortunately, a lot of people suffer from digital eye strain, and they don't really do anything about it because you can't just stop doing your job and you don't want to put your phone down. So I'm here now to share 6 tips on how to help prevent or reduce the effects of digital eye strain. Tip number 1. The simplest and probably easiest to remember is the 20-20-20 rule. For every 20 minutes of screen time, you should spend 20 seconds looking at something at least 20 feet away. In addition to that, it's also recommended to take a 20-minute break for every 2 hours of screen time that passes. Now, I know you may be thinking, with all of your work online, there's no way to make that realistically happen. But you can try to use this time to do things like make a pot of coffee, get up and walk around the room, or get a snack. If you're super busy, taking this many breaks can seem impossible. But just remember that it's super important in order to keep your eyes and yourself healthy, and your brain healthy too. Tip number 2, become conscious of your blinking. Blink with intention. Reduced blink rates lead to overexertion and dry eyes. Liquid tears or eye drops are a great prevention tool against this. Keeping some at your desk as a daily reminder of your blink frequency can be extremely helpful. It's also the perfect backup solution if you aren't able to look away and blink. Drops can keep your eyes from drying out. Tip number 3, air quality. Low air quality can have an extreme drying effect on the eye, which should make humidifiers your new best friend. Humidifiers are the perfect way to add more moisture to the air and have a large range of benefits, such as hydrating your skin, reducing those dry eyes, and improving breathing conditions. You can't beat that. They even sell miniature versions that you can plug right into your computer. Tip number 4. This tip has to do with the positioning and the distance of your screen. So the ideal positioning is about 20 to 28 inches away, or about an arm's length away. Also, a good practice is to have your screen lower than your eye level by about 15 to 20 degrees, or 4 to 5 inches. Also pay attention to your posture and your seating position. Make sure your chair is comfortable and that your feet are flat on the floor. This is all to reduce screen glare and prevent your eyes from overworking. Tip number 5, become more aware of your daily screen time, which is actually pretty easy to do. Many phones already have a built-in screen time tracker. Now, I know I've definitely had days where I was shocked to see that I'd spent over 6 hours staring at my phone. Setting limits if possible can be a great way to reduce unnecessary eye strain. And last but not least, tip number 6. One of the biggest causes of digital eye strain is the blue light that's emitted from monitors like computers, tablets, and mobile phones. Blue light can negatively affect your eyes long term and boost your risk of eye disease. Overexposure to blue light can also cause headaches, eye fatigue, and even affect your sleep. So that's where Fused Lenses' new blue light filtering lenses come in. These lenses help to filter the blue light emitted by phones, TVs, tablets, and other electronic devices. This means that your eyes don't strain as much when using digital screens for an extended period of time. This can help reduce headaches, blurry vision, and get you a better night's sleep. So if you're experiencing these symptoms or problems related to digital eye strain, it may be a good idea to try Fuse's blue light filtering lenses for yourself. So if you think you might be struggling from digital eye strain and want to protect your eyes with blue light lenses, go to fuselenses.com/YouTube to see our options. In addition to making blue light glasses that make you look smarter and cooler, our specialty at Fuse is making replacement lenses for brand name sunglasses. Check out our video on how Fuse lenses works, linked in the description below. If you have any other questions about eye strain, Fuse lenses, or what we do, feel free to put them in the comments below. Now I hope you all learned about digital eye strain today. Please give our video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to stay up to date on our newest videos about eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses each week. That wraps it up for today. We'll see you next time.